Amsterdam, the feel-good metropolis of Europe, a city with special flair, the perfect stage for a world premiere. The introduction of Mercedes-Benz new A-Class.
And here it is, our all-new A-Class.
The new star from Stuttgart shines from the outside and the inside. That's also because of the completely new cockpit and the Mercedes-Benz User Experience MBUX, based on an intuitive concept of use. Just 2 words are enough to start the voice control.
Just have to say, "Hey Mercedes," and the car says, "What can I do for you?" And it will more or less read the wishes off of your lips.
The new A-Class does not need special commands, but is just listening. The program knows several languages and is adaptive. MBUX adapts to your language use and to the driver's habits. That's how artificial intelligence makes the car to a personal assistant.
MBUX is 360-degree connected car, touch-based, natural language, and of course everything that you want to do in the car in terms of connected. Call somebody, entertainment, navigation, really everything.
The widescreen display reaches from the driver's side to the center console. Mercedes simplifies the operation of the whole vehicle, from voice commands, touchscreen, touchpad, or control buttons on the steering wheel.
I'm very much convinced that the new generation will build on that foundation. Even though the car is somewhat more mature, it definitely will appeal big time to our younger clientele.
When the future becomes the present, the new A-Class applies standards.